Hello, hello, this is Cara, and I'm here to share the final flip through of my Shabby Soul accordion book. I have just loved this project. It's been so fun. And thank you so much for the feedback on what you thought of the kind of longer, not so edited videos. Some good, some of you liked it, some of you didn't. I kind of figured, but thank you for the feedback. All right, so let's kind of take a look. So I've added some things that I didn't do in the video, and let's just kind of take a look. Yeah, it's been a few days, so I can't remember exactly, but here I think I did the stamping, and I think I added this little star just to add a little bit of bling. And then they have the flip up, and then this little transparency with Santa, the picture behind it. Pretty fun. Because I wanted this to kind of be interactive, so I added that. And then this can come off, and there's that tag. So what I'm thinking, I was hoping to have it done by this video, but my little printer is giving me a hard time. I want to print little, maybe 1x1 or 2x2 little pictures of my family throughout the season, and then stick them like on the backs of the different tags. I think that would be really fun. And then I could set this out on my coffee table every year, and since it's so interactive, I think this would be a fun one to kind of put out. Or I could stand it up like this, you know, like on a shelf or whatever. But yeah, it kind of is dual purpose with, just making sure I'm in frame. It's dual purpose with also being like a decor piece, which is really fun. I still just love this guy. His little face. So yeah, I would put a picture back here. Like I said, I was hoping that I would have those printed, but alas, it did not happen. My 25, and here's this guy. And my little clip here. I think it was really fun that I made the little sort of like Tim Holtz's, you know, his little, what does he call them? Stitched scraps or something like that. And I just took some muslin and used my sewing machine. So I have a stack of those that I can use on other projects. And that didn't take much time, which is pretty nice. And here's one of my button cards. And then I backed it with a Tim Holtz paper. Oh, I need to add a stamp there. And there's my little sled kiddos hanging out. And then I think I might have done this off camera, I'm not sure. But I have this, it has a little clip on top with just some fabric pieces. And then this, and then behind here is a little postcard. So I thought these were fun. And again, I want to clip a picture of my kids or family. And then I have one of the new, it's stuck. Let's see if I can get it. One of the new jingle bells dangling off the edge. And then this little fabric kind of is a little interactive. It just has this kind of flip, and then on this side this can come out too. Here's a tag with one of the little ephemera pieces. Flare buttons, and then the calendar. And then on the back I added one of the tags, the metal tags, and then I added some of the green, words are hard, what is it, you know, the crayons, the distress crayons, and then I wrapped it with some ribbon, and then I tied it on the inside. And then I think I did this off camera. So I added this tree because up here it says the Christmas tree. So I added the tree, and then did some stamping and made it kind of look like a postage thing. Here I added a little ticket. Here's another card. I really used a lot of those journaling cards from his new pack. This, I think, is my favorite, with the little dog and the girl and the stitched around. I think that's my favorite part. And then these guys. And then I have another piece of flare right there with the little pine cone dangle. Pretty cute. And then here I kind of flipped this down and added one of those little clips. Did some stamping, added a candy cane, added one of the labels, and I stamped on both sides of that one. This is a tag from my Rustic Christmas. And then here I just added a little bell ephemera. Found this, it was already done in my stash. I'm like, oh, it's perfect. And it gives a different bit of fabric there. Just clipped one of the milk crate or milk carton tops there. Another flare. Oh, I think I did this off camera too. So this is one of the baseboard, I think, frames is what he calls it. And then I had this picture in my stash from, oh, something he put out years ago. And then another calendar, but I thought the kids there were perfect. And then it's back to the front. Really fun. And I love that, like I said, you can kind of stand it up, which is hard to see in your view, but then kind of this part wants to lay funny, but you can stand it up and put it on the shelf, and then people can come and look at it and touch it and, you know, fiddle with all the papers. I just think it was such a cool project. I might end up some point maybe putting the year on here that I made it if I do want to kind of display it. But yeah, all right. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks for kind of going with me through the process since this was my first one. And if you haven't, go check out Shabby Soul's, not Facebook, but YouTube channel. She is amazing, has really cool ideas. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.